BRK offers several ways to interconnect alarms and auxiliary devices so that they all sound if one is triggered by smoke or carbon monoxide. These interconnection methods include hardwire, wireless, smart Wi-Fi, and smart Bluetooth. But some newer BRK smoke, carbon monoxide, and combo smoke and CO alarms come with the Smart Interconnect feature, which simplifies mixed device installs. Hi, I'm Sam with Resideo. In this video, I'll break down how the Smart Interconnect feature works, which BRK alarms it includes, and how it will perform in the event of an emergency. Smart Interconnect is most effective when interconnecting different alarm types. Traditionally, smoke and heat alarms output a constant 9-volt DC signal on the orange interconnect wire, while CO alarms output a pulsing 9-volt DC signal. Smart Interconnect technology enables compatible alarms to receive and interpret both signal types across a single interconnect wire or wireless link. This ensures that all connected devices recognize and reproduce the correct horn pattern. For example, when carbon monoxide triggers a combo smoke and CO alarm, the interconnected smoke detectors with Smart Interconnect technology will sound the CO horn pattern. Smart Interconnect is designed to meet NFPA 72, Section 29.11.2, which requires interconnected alarms to respond appropriately to the specific hazard. This means the alarm should either sound the correct horn pattern or remain silent if it is unable to. During a smoke event, all interconnected smoke, heat, and Smart Interconnect CO alarms sound the smoke horn pattern. CO-only devices without Smart Interconnect remain silent. During a CO event, all interconnected CO and Smart Interconnect smoke alarms sound the CO horn pattern. Standard smoke and heat alarms remain silent. The Smart Interconnect feature is available on over a dozen alarms and devices, including relays and strobe lights. Here is a list of the current alarm models that feature the Smart Interconnect. Always verify Smart Interconnect compatibility in the product's user manual before installing. Here are a few alarm installation tips to remember. First, when linking your alarms together, remember the NFPA recommends a maximum of 18 total initiating devices in a residential fire alarm system. Up to 12 of the initiating devices can be smoke alarms, and the remaining 6 devices can be heat or CO alarms. The total length of wire for interconnecting the units should be less than 1,000 feet or 300 meters. Secondly, the same fuse or circuit breaker must power all interconnected units. When power is interrupted, only the hardwired units with a battery backup in the series will continue to send and receive signals. Hardwired-only units will not operate during a power outage. Lastly, in mixed systems, non-Smart Interconnect alarms won't activate for both hazards. They'll only respond to their specific signal type. Thanks for watching this tech tip. If you found it helpful, drop a comment and subscribe for more videos. For additional information, please visit Resideo Academy.